Hi loves, this is Sinyoung from Lemoore Beauty. Welcome to our quick daily Gua Sha Facial Massage for visible puffiness and congestion. Without further ado, let's begin. First, on clean skin, we recommend prepping with a facial serum, oil, or moisturizer that provides a nice smooth glide for your Gua Sha tool throughout your facial massage. For me, I am using our all-natural and vegan illuminating facial serum. I'm going to get one pump and mix it with water. Like this. Gently press it in all over. Your neck, your chest, your hands as well. Now we will begin with a clean Gua Sha tool. We will work our way down starting from our forehead area with one swipe per section. Placing your tool like this, we're going to sweep out and wiggle at the edge here, releasing any blockages in this area. The other side. This. And we're going to place our tool like this and sweep it down like so. Releasing. And for your eye area, you want to use gentle light pressure. Once you get to your temples, you can use a little bit more pressure if you would like. So placing your tool like this, we're going to sweep out like this and apply acupressure with movement here. Your under eye hair, like this. A little bit lower than the previous point here. The other side. This. Wiggling at the edge here. Your under eye. Like this. We're going to apply acupressure on our side of the nostrils here, like this. The other side, like this. And from the side of our nose, we're going to sweep out and out like this and wiggle at the edge here. The other side, we're going to sweep from the side of our nose and wiggle at the edge here. We're going to do our cheekbone here, so placing your toe like this. We're going to apply acupressure with movement and release. The other side, like this. And release here. From the center of your lips here, sweep up and out. Wiggle at the edge here. The other side, like this. Wiggle at the edge here. And we're going to apply acupressure on our masseter muscles here to release any blockages here. Like this. The other side, like this. Breathing here. And we're going to do our jawline here like this. Sweep out and wiggle at the edge here. The other side, sweep out and wiggle at the edge. We'll do under our chin here like this. Wiggle at the edge here. The other side, like this. Wiggle at the edge here. And we're going to sweep it all down towards our heart like this for the lymphatic drainage here. This. Down and down. For your Gua Sha tool, you can wash it with warm water and soap for your next Gua Sha facial massage. I'm going to put it aside for now. We're going to gently tap our skin to seal in all the goodness and improve circulation. So gently tap all over here. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video, found this video helpful on your journey to giving yourself amazing Gua Sha facial massages easily at home. Thank you for joining. Take care and stay hydrated, my darlings. See you soon. Bye bye.